Ankita Baidya, from your perspective, is there really a need to hunker down, start cancelling New Year plans because of what's happening in China? Or would that be a bit of a exaggeration and we don't really need to start panicking because the threat really is across the Himalayas, it's not in our side yet?
Yeah, see Rahul, the panic is not the solution, but yes, we need to pull up our socks. If we see what is happening in the neighboring countries, as Dr. Subramaniam has rightly pointed out, this variant was detected as per the records available in the month of October itself, doesn't created much panic related to COVID spurt of cases or hospitalization as such. But my worry is the precautionary dose, around only 27 to 28% of our population has taken that, and we have forgotten about COVID, not taking any COVID appropriate behavior. So it is important that we understand we should not loosen up our guards just thinking we have hybrid immunity. Very true, whatever has happened in West has always not replicated in our country, but certainly we need to see what we have seen in the second wave and we should not repeat it. So it's good that the government is taking some actions on it, the preventive actions on it. They are talking about it because it has to come from higher level in all sense, whether it comes related to precautionary dose, mandatory that you need to take it, as we had seen that last year we need to carry a vaccination certificate during travel. So some steps has to be taken that the people go out for the vaccination of their precautionary dose if they have not taken, and follow the COVID appropriate behavior. So precaution.
So the Prime Minister today chaired a high-level COVID review meeting. He emphasized adherence to COVID appropriate behavior. The message from the government was clear. India is ready and vigilant, but there is no need to panic.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's big COVID review. Amid global surge in COVID cases, particularly the runaway infections in China, India, whose COVID fight was lauded across the world, is rising to the challenge again. Here are the steps the government is mulling to fight any threat of COVID's return. To be detailed in advisory for states from centre. This is renewed focus on precautionary vaccine dose. Steps like mask mandates are likely to make a comeback. Curbs likely on New Year bash. Big focus to be on social distancing. Apart from screening of all travellers from China and random testing for international flyers. Also increased quarantine and testing measures.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हवाई अड्डे पर विदेश से आने वाले हवाई यात्रियों के 2% कोविड आरटी-पीसीआर रैंडम सैंपलिंग भी आज शुरू कर दी गई है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री मोदी जी के समर्थ नेतृत्व में भारत पहले से ही अमल में टेस्ट, ट्रैक, ट्रीट, वैक्सीनेशन, कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर का पालन नीति के साथ कोविड मैनेजमेंट कर रहा है, उसे आगे भी चालू रखेंगे।
Despite alert, the centre has advised against mass panic.
We are here right now at the Charbagh railway station in Lucknow, where you can see the travellers and the passengers who are coming, but there is no as such, follow of the protocol so far. People have actually forgotten to use the mask. There are few passengers who are indeed using, but most of them are visible without using the mask, which is the situation going on.
India has reported 4 COVID-19 cases of BF.7, the subvariant of Omicron strain of COVID-19, but it seems in Uttar Pradesh, people haven't learned any lesson. कोरोना वापस आ गया है क्या? हाँ? कोरोना क्या फिर से वापस आ गया है?
हमें तो मालूम नहीं पड़ा भैया।
नहीं, चाइना में जिस तरह से हाहाकार मचा है, सरकार ने भी अब कहा है कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का पालन किया जाए।
तो भैया जो सरकार कहे वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा।
क्या लगता है मास्क का दौर वापस आ गया है?
आने वाला है।
कैसे?
जिस हिसाब से चाइना का हॉल है ना, उस हिसाब से लगी रहा है।
अभी प्रिकॉशन लेना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि अब सर्दी का दिन है, ज्यादा कोविड इसी टाइम फैलता है। हर साल पिछले 2 साल से सर्दी के समय ही कोविड हो रहा है।
States too are pulling out all stops, preparing for any possible spike in cases.
ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡಲು ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟಿವ್ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು, ಮುಂಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಪಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಭಯ ಅಥವಾ ಆತಂಕ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ತಜ್ಞರ ಸಲಹೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪರಿಪಾಲನೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ ಡೋಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು कार्यक्रमों रूपिಸುವಂತ साध्यते ಇವತ್ತು.
उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार सतर्कता के साथ आगे बढ़ रही है. हमने ऐसे सभी स्थल जहां भीड़ भाड़ वाले हैं वहां कोविड का प्रोटोकॉल पालन किए जाने के लिए सलाह जारी की है, एडवाइजरी जारी की है.
अभी मध्य प्रदेश में कोई ऐसी चिंता की स्थिति नहीं है, पर जो भी स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय का दिशा निर्देश है उसका हम पालन करेंगे.
A stealth enemy that we fought twice. With a little caution and alertness, India may prevail over COVID yet again. With Samad Srivastav and Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow, Bureau Report, India Today.